Hey, welcome back. Today we're doing something super useful in Hindi, the present continuous, the tense for actions happening right now. So if you want to say, I am eating, she is walking, we are working, this is your tool. And honestly, this pattern is one of those high-value patterns. Learn it well, and suddenly your Hindi starts sounding alive. The big idea is simple. In Hindi, present continuous is usually built like this: verb plus raha, rahi, or rahe, and then a form of hona, usually hum, he, or haim. So think of it like a little sandwich. First the action, then the ongoing marker, then the am, is, are part. Let's make it concrete. I am eating is main kha raha hu, main kha raha hu, if the speaker is male. If the speaker is female, it becomes main kha rahi hu, main kha rahi hu. So right away, one important thing: raha, rahi, and rahe change depending on gender and number. Male singular usually uses raha. Female singular usually uses rahe. Plural usually uses rahe. Nice and practical. A quick memory trick. Hear the rhythm. Kha raha ho, pad raha ho, chal raha ho. It has a rolling sound. Action plus raha. If it's a woman or girl speaking, switch that rolling sound to rahi, rahi. If it's plural, go with rahe, rahe. So your shortcut is male one, raha, female one, rahi, more than one, rahe. Bus, that's the core. Let's start with visible actions, because they're easiest to feel. Imagine someone with a plate in hand. I am eating. How do you say I am eating? मैं खा रहा हूँ. मैं खा रहा हूँ. If a woman says it, she says मैं खा रही हूँ. Notice how the action word here is kha, from khana, to eat. We drop the na from the dictionary form and build from the base. Now let's try studying. Super common. I am studying. How do you say I am studying in Hindi? मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. Nice. By the way, pardh is study or read depending on context. If someone is sitting with a book, it could mean reading. If they're doing homework, studying. Same word. Very handy. Now let's move from I to he and she. In everyday Hindi, vah can mean he or she depending on context. So he is eating is vah kha raha hai, and she is eating is vah kha rahi hai. Listen to the last word too. With vah, you often use hai, is. With main, you use hu, am. Let's make it active. Picture a girl in the park. She is walking. How do you say she is walking in Hindi? वहाँ चल रही है. वह चल रही है. Good. Chal means walk or move. Very useful little word. If it's a man, you'd say वह चल रहा है. Same action, different agreement. Here's a tiny side note that helps a lot. Hindi often cares about who is doing the action when choosing raha, rahi, rahe. So don't just memorize the verb. Memorize the whole chunk. खा रहा है, खा रही है, खा रहे हैं, पढ़ रहा हूँ, पढ़ रही हूँ. Learn these as ready-made blocks. That saves brain power. Let's do we. We are working. हम काम कर रहे हैं. हम काम कर रहे हैं. Nice. काम करना means to work or to do work. Here you can see a common pattern with compound verbs too. काम कर रहे हैं. Literally, work doing are. Hindi loves these combinations. Don't fight it, just vibe with it. Another one. Imagine a few friends eating lunch together. They are eating food. How do you say they are eating food in Hindi? वे खाना खा रहे हैं. वे खाना खा रहे हैं. In casual speech, people often say wo instead of ve. So you'll hear wo khana kha rahe hai very often. That sounds natural. Now let's build the pattern slowly so it sticks. Take the verb Padhna, to study. Remove na and you get pad. Then add raha, rahi, or rahe. Then add the right form of hona. Main male speaker, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Main female speaker, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. He, वह पढ़ रहा है. She, वह पढ़ रही है. We, हम पढ़ रहे हैं. They, वे पढ़ रहे हैं. See the pattern? Honestly, this is one of those same song, different singer situations. The melody stays the same, only the ending changes. Let's do a few more natural moments. You're on the phone and someone asks, "What are you doing?" In casual Hindi, that's "Kya kar rahe ho?" If talking to one male or mixed informal person, or "Kya kar rahi ho?" to one female, and you might answer, "Main kaam kar raha hu," I am working, or "Main khana kha rahi hu," I am eating food. Present continuous everywhere. How do you say he is studying in Hindi? वह पढ़ रहा है. वह पढ़ रहा है. How do you say she is eating in Hindi? वह खा रही है. वह खा रही है. How do you say I am walking in Hindi? मैं चल रहा हूँ. मैं चल रहा हूँ. And if you're female, मैं चल रही हूँ. Very nice. Now, one important practical point. In English, we say I eat and I am eating, and the difference is big. In Hindi too, you want the raha, rahi, rahe pattern when you mean right now, in progress. So मैं खाता हूँ usually means I eat or I do eat, more like a habit. But मैं खा रहा हूँ means I am eating right now. That's today's whole focus. Action in progress. Happening now. Visible. Ongoing. So if someone is literally in the middle of lunch, don't say मैं खाता हूँ unless you mean I eat as a general habit. Say मैं खा रहा हूँ or मैं खा रही हूँ. Same with studying. मैं पढ़ता हूँ means I study in general. But right now, books open, coffee there, slight panic, exam tomorrow, then it's मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ or मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. Let's talk about common mistakes because these are super fixable. Mistake 1. Forgetting the hona part, the hu, he, or hen. Learners say things like मैं खा रहा. People may still understand, but it sounds incomplete. Give the sentence its landing gear. मैं खा रहा हूँ. वह चल रही है. हम काम कर रहे हैं. Mistake 2. Mixing gender endings. For example, a female speaker saying मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Nope. If the speaker is female, say मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. Same with she. वह जा रही है, not जा रहा है. Mistake 3. Using singular where plural is needed. For we are working, don't say हम काम कर रहा है. That's a traffic jam of endings. Use plural agreement. हम काम कर रहे हैं. Mistake 4. Translating too literally from English and getting tense confusion. If the action is right now, reach for the raha family. If it's a regular habit, use the simple present pattern instead. Here's a mini memory trick. Think of raha, rahi, rahe as your little blinking neon sign saying, in progress, happening now. So when you picture motion, action, something ongoing, that neon sign should pop into your head. Let's hear a short story now. First, just listen. मैं घर में बैठा हूँ और पढ़ रहा हूँ. मेरी बहन रसोई में खाना बना रही है. मेरा दोस्त बाहर सड़क पर चल रहा है. हम सब अपने अपने काम कर रहे हैं. तभी मेरा फ़ोन बज रहा है. मैं हंस रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त फिर से लेट हो रहा है. Now let's go one line at a time. मैं घर में बैठा हूँ और पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am sitting at home and studying. मेरी बहन रसोई में खाना बना रही है. My sister is cooking food in the kitchen. मेरा दोस्त बाहर सड़क पर चल रहा है. My friend is walking outside on the street. हम सब अपने अपने काम कर रहे हैं. We are all doing our own work. तभी मेरा फोन बज रहा है. Just then my phone is ringing. मैं हंस रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त फिर से लेट हो रहा है. I am laughing because my friend is getting late again. Nice. And did you notice? The whole story stayed concrete. Sitting, studying, cooking, walking, working, ringing, laughing. That's exactly where present continuous shines. A tiny useful detour. Sometimes with positions like beta, sitting or standing, Hindi may use words that look a bit different from the straight raha pattern. But for today, don't stress. Your main engine is still the ongoing action idea. For the most common visible actions like eating, studying, working, walking, use the pattern we practiced. Let's do a quick rapid-fire review. You answer in your head or out loud if nobody's judging. And if they are judging, wow, rude. How do you say I am working? मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. Female speaker. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. How do you say she is studying in Hindi? वह पढ़ रही है. वह पढ़ रही है. How do you say they are walking in Hindi? वे चल रहे हैं. वे चल रहे हैं. How do you say we are eating in Hindi? हम खा रहे हैं. हम खा रहे हैं. How do you say he is working in Hindi? वह काम कर रहा है. वह काम कर रहा है. Beautiful. Let's lock in the main role one last time. For an action happening right now, use the verb base plus raha, rahi, or rahe, plus hu, hai, or hai. Male singular usually raha. Female singular rahi. Plural rahe. And always match it to who is doing the action. So, मैं खा रहा हूँ, I am eating, male speaker. मैं खा रही हूँ, I am eating, female speaker. वह चल रही है, she is walking. हम काम कर रहे हैं, we are working. वे पढ़ रहे हैं, they are studying. That's a powerful pattern, yaar. Really powerful. If you can say just 10 verbs with this structure, you can already describe a lot of daily life. Eating, studying, working, walking, coming, going, watching, speaking, writing, waiting. And the goal is not perfection on day one. The goal is recognition and use. Hear it, notice it, repeat it, use it. Even if you start with just 3 phrases like मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, वह चल रही है, हम काम कर रहे हैं, that's already real Hindi. So keep listening for the rhythm. रहा हूँ, रही है, रहे हैं. That rhythm will become automatic faster than you think. Awesome job today. Seriously. You're not just learning rules, you're building speech. Thoda every day, and suddenly Hindi starts clicking. Keep going, keep repeating out loud, and I'll see you next time.